Warrior Cat's voiceover. Maple Shade's kit died. Ray Chan is checking on Apple Dust if he's okay. So, Apple Dust had two mates. Two of them. And she looks at Maple Shade. And Apple Dust said 3 kids had drowned into the river. And Apple Dust wants her to forgive him. Well, I don't think she should forgive him. And he had 2 mates. And to Ray Shine, please forgive me. Darkstar should have fucking exiled Apple Dusk. And fuck you, Apple Dusk. Everybody in the corner looking at Maple Shade. I'm surprised Apple Dust didn't get fucking exiled for what he did. And Apple Dust is begging for Darkstar forgiveness. And it seems like he really values his place in that clan. You didn't value your place in that clan when you cheated on Ray Shine with Maple Shade. Maple Shade looks like she wants to murder Apple Dust. It's funny that she did kill Apple Dust. Ray Shine actually had Apple Dust's back. And Apple Dust just blames Maple Shade for the death of her kids. Thanks for fucking rubbing in deeper, Apple Dust. Thank you for bringing up that past trauma. Darkstar wants Apple Dust to regain their trust. And all eyes are watching him. Darkstar should just exile Apple Dust. So Darkstar says, bury these kids. He's at our territory now. Bullshit. Darkstar wants Maple Shade to leave the clan and never return, and leave this territory at once. And Maple Shade is shocked and sad. And Darkstar Warrior Code. Maple Shade went on a killing rampage for losing her mind and going crazy of the death of the loss of her kids. You have the fucking audacity to show Maple Shade your other fucking mate. I don't really blame for Maple Shade losing her mind and killing Apple Dusk and killing all the cats were responsible. Maple Shade shouts at Apple Dust. You told me you loved me, and Apple Dust's betrayal must hit Maple Shade the hardest.